Hey guys, today I want to show you what could cause issue with your Toyota Sienna 2011 if you put in drive mode or reverse and car just doesn't go, it just stays. So what I find out, I just got transmission leakage, and that happened because when I lift my car up, I will show you in a second, I just noticed my driver's side axle pop out, and that's how I got transmission leakage. I will show you right now. So I don't know if you can see something here. Let me try to. It's kind of dark, but I can see shiny bushing. Yeah, my camera doesn't want to focus. And also I can see a lot of transmission oil outside. Everything is wet. Yeah, so that's what you have to deal with. So I will take a look if I will need to put another axle or not. If you will have some suggestions what caused that issue, please leave me comments below. Thank you.